What's up, everybody? Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Father and Son Wrestling Figures.
My name is Carlos and this is my dad Louis.
This is our very first YouTube video where we will be having a little bit of everything, including unboxings, maybe showings of the collections. Today we have for you an unboxing of the Ghostbusters Elite collection by Mattel, featuring The Rock
and Stone Cold Steve Austin.
With this pretty awesome boxing. As you can see, the throwback to the Ghostbusters logo, the slime.
In the back, we have all the Ghostbusters, aka the wrestlers, and Undertaker as the ghost, which you can see right here. We already unboxed them because we got them way before this YouTube channel started. And
like it says here, the ectoplasmic Undertaker rises from the grave to claim the WWE Championship for the land of the dead. So John Cena, Stone Cold Steve Austin, The Rock, and Shawn Michaels strapped their proton packs to their backs to bring the title back to the WWE Universe. We're still missing John Cena and Shawn Michaels, which we'll be getting in the future. We got these from Ringside Collectibles. So maybe let's get these open.
You know, I really want to get Shawn Michaels though. I'm really excited for Shawn Michaels.
Hopefully we can find them. These are two of my all-time favorite wrestlers.
Which one do you like most though?
Stone Cold.
Yeah, I think The Rock is after Stone Cold for me.
So who's your most favorite?
Yeah, I'm taking. He's always gonna be my favorite, no matter what.
This is really got The Rock with that famous eyebrow. You got the removable Ghostbuster suit with the Team Bring It shirt underneath. Some removable knee pads. Pretty much have them ready for a wrestling match underneath this outfit.
Same here with Stone Cold Steve Austin. He has an Austin 316 shirt with you know, Ghostbusters slime, knee pads, and
we got this pretty cool, interesting Ghostbusters proton pack, which I'm assuming strap onto them like a backpack style maybe. Yeah.
this on top.
There you have it.
I really like The Rock in this one because I like the sleeveless shirt.
You think they'll be able to take down the Undertaker with just them two, or will they need their buddies?
I think they need their buddies. Undertaker's too good for them.
I was never a big fan of the Ghostbusters, but I like this collaboration they did with WWE Mattel.
Yep. I'm sorry, having a little trouble putting this on him.
Just put it in his hand like that.
This is the only hand that's working. Come on, put it on the other way. There you go.
As you can see, they're ready to take on the dead man.
But the dead man's too good.
There you have it, everybody. Give us a follow on Instagram at Father Son Wrestling Figures. Thank you very much for watching today. Hope to be back soon with some more content. Thank you.
Bye.